as per thumbnail, you know the topic of the video. It is about the mystery of time part 2. So let's begin it.
So, in the previous part, we have discussed what is time, Einstein's prediction that if we move faster than light, then we can travel in future. So, in this part, I am going to just discuss time arrow. I have taken those knowledge from the book written by famous scientist Stephen Hawking, and the book named The Theory of Everything. So first discuss what is a arrow. Arrow tells us one particular direction, but there is also exist double direction arrow also, but arrow tells particular direction, and time arrow also says one direction, means time flow towards future. We cannot go to the past. Or in another word, the increase of disorder or entropy with time is one example of what is called the arrow of time. Second law of thermodynamics says that the disorder or entropy always increase with time. In other words, Murphy's law, things get worse. There is two types of time arrow present in our universe. First, I like to talk about the thermodynamical arrow. The second law of thermodynamics is based on the fact that there are many more disordered states than there are ordered ones. For example, consider the piece of a jigsaw in a box. There is one and only one argument in which the piece make a complete picture. On the other hand, there are a very large number of arrangements in which the pictures are disordered and don't make a picture. Suppose a system starts out in one of the smaller number of order states. As the time goes by, the system will evolve according to the laws of physics and its state will change. At a later time, there is a high probability that it will be in a more disordered state, simply because there are so many more disordered states. Thus, the disorder will tend to increase with time if the system obeys an inertial condition of high order. Now, let's talk about the psychological arrow. We don't know how our brain works, but we know how a computer memory works. It keeps the past memory in a chip. Inside a chip, it is stored by 0 and 1 format. When I just try to see it, we have to just play it. Before an item is recorded in the memory is in a disordered state with equal probabilities for 1 and 0. After the memory interacts with the system to be remembered, it will be definitely be in one state or the other according to the state of the system. Thus, the memory passes from a disordered state to a ordered one. However, in order to make sure that the memory is in the right state, it is necessary to use a certain amount of energy. The energy is dissipated as heat and increase the amount of disorder in the universe. One can show that the increase of disorder is greater than the increase in the order of the memory. Thus, when a computer records item in the memory, the total amount of disorder in the universe grows up. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.